Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are working on a brand spanker 2019 Audi A4 Avant. Incredible piece of kit. Just was lacking in one thing, which was folding wing mirrors. Seems to be a bit of a common theme at the moment. A lot of Audis, especially the high-end ones, aren't coming with basic things such as the folders. Now, what we've done with this car is we've replaced both sides with genuine Audi parts, all brand new equipment, not reclaimed or reused or second-hand, which some people do. The real McCoy. We've then installed them, we've coded them, fitted the armrest with the correct interior trim. This has got a lovely grey interior, so I'll show you that in a second. So the way it works, as per normal and all other folding wing mirrors, is that when we lock the car, see it here, wing mirror folds in, and then we'll stay in that position until the ignition is applied in the car. So what I'll do is I'll quickly just jump in, I'll unlock, wing mirror stays in. You can still see the mirror just there. I'll jump in, pull it closed a little bit. So that's the wing mirror, just showing you off it very quickly there. Now, as I mentioned before, because this is a special spec, I'm just going to move the screen or the camera ever so slightly down and round so you can see what I'm working on over here. So here we've changed the interior switch, so instead of it just being left, right, and in the downward position for the heated system, we've now got the folding function which goes to the left hand side. So what I'll do is I will jump in, just start it up. Wing mirrors are still in their open position, as you can see just at the top of this video. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see it working, and we'll flick it to the mirror position and then flick it back to how it was before, and there you go, all as per factory. And I will just very quickly show you, if I can, the MMI controls. Now I'll probably just go a bit rogue and take this in with me, so excuse it for being a bit wobbly. Okay, so MMI screen and our MMI controls down here. So all we do is we just flick it to the left, go to vehicle settings, scroll down to central locking, and there we go, folding mirrors. If you want them to fold on lock, then you click that. If you don't want them to fold on lock, then you unclick it. If you do want them to fold, then you click it, and away you go. So yes, Audi A4 brand spanker. We fitted it with the genuine Audi wing mirrors. So as you can see, lovely gloss black front there. That was with the car already. I like the glass, just new bases and all that sort of stuff. So if you've got an Audi A4, S4 and a new B9 8W chassis, get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.